Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Somerton Airport. This is me, Larry Nelson, and I am making some major progress on 8 November, trying to get it back in the air, and for this week anyways, back on the ground. So the plan is I want to get both the landing gear installed, the plane back on the ground, everything ready for paint, and doing an engine run by the end of this video. I know that's a big ask, and I still think I can meet my goal. I haven't told you guys what the goal is yet, but I still think it's possible. So let's jump to all the work I'm gonna get done on this plane in the next 2 weeks. And as you guys know, it's not possible to make progress at this speed without the help of my great channel sponsors, specifically GRT Avionics. GRT has been with me since I started my instrument training, and they are here supporting me in this rebuild so I can get 8 November back in the air. If you guys are building experimental aircraft, light sport, doesn't matter, you really should think about GRT Avionics. They've got some amazing American-made avionics that give you all the capability you would ever want in a panel at a price that is set up for guys like me and you flying on a budget. So if you guys are building, considering upgrading, go over to grtavionics.com and check out the offerings that they have. And now let's jump to all the work we're going to get done on 8 November. All right, everybody, so I've been out here burning the midnight oil, and it's going to be a sad day for me tomorrow because the Panther kit has been sold. So this is going to the new owner. He showed up today. We've got everything ready to go. He's going to be packing up in a trailer and taking it back to Pennsylvania. So I'm happy that he's going to be able to get started on this kit, and this will be something he's going to enjoy building, but I need to get 8 November back in the air. So tonight I've been working hard, and I've gotten a lot of the landing gear put back together. So as you see here, this is the mock-up of the nose gear for the pilot side. I've got most of the parts put in, but I've got a few more things I've got to fabricate. There's an angle that goes across here that ties these two sides together. Same down here. As soon as I fabricate that, there's two L angles that go across here. Then these guys rivet to the back, and then this piece here is ready to go right in this location where I've already cut the new wing skin. So that being said, let's jump forward to the next time I'm able to work on this, which should be tomorrow morning.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars.
And just like that, the Panther is no longer here with me. So came back out here because I left some stuff, needed to take a shower, but it's kind of weird not having the Panther here. It's on to the new owner, and I'm talking to him. I think he's going to enjoy the build, and I hope to see some images of it later. But for right now, I'm going to come back out here this evening. I'm going to jump back on the Zenith, and we are really, really close to getting it back on the gear. So let me jump back forward to tonight, and we'll get this gear on this plane. All right, everybody, step one has been completed tonight for getting the landing gear back on this wing here. So if you notice, I've match drilled both of these ribs. They're in position. I've also got the gear leg slides in position. and down here, you can't see just out of frame, is basically the mount for the gear. So with all of that, I'm in a good position to get this started and hopefully done by the end of the week. Other side, I've got the last little bit I need to get that side done. Once this side's done, on the gear and an engine start. So let's get going. All right, everybody, finally got some more parts in, and I've got this side basically ready for rivets. So got to load this part of the process, rinse and repeat. Let's get some rivets in. Hopefully I've got enough, and we'll get this project that much closer to paint. Well, as you see, I didn't quite have as many rivets as I thought I did, so call the Zenith tomorrow. Hopefully we can get some rivets out here pretty quick, and I can get the plane on the ground. I am that close. All right, let's jump forward to the next time I'm out here. Hey everybody, so got a package from Zenith. We're good to go again, so let's get back to work. All right, everybody, so that wraps up tonight. We're going to be out here tomorrow night to finish up that wing, but I was also able to, because I got the rivets in the mail, get this wing, the top side all riveted in. I've got about 15 more rivets on the bottom, and then we're ready to put the landing gear back on. So I'm excited. We're getting so close to getting 8 Lima November back in the air. So let's get working on this tomorrow night. Well, everybody, that basically wraps up this video. And again, I didn't get the plane on the gear, but I've gotten very close. All the body work is done. I've got both wings painted, and I'm making it really close to my goal. So for you guys who've been hanging around this long, the goal is to fly this plane to the Zenith fly-in in September 2024. I've got about 2.5 weeks. I need to get all of this stuff buttoned up, but once I do, this thing will be ready to go. So to see if I meet my goal, hit that like button, follow along, subscribe, and check out the next video. And until next time, this is me, Larry Nelson, telling you guys, for planes like this, projects in the garage, get in the garage, get building, and I'll see you guys in the air next time.
Catch me if I